Oh yeah, this Ducati loves this cool there. Oh yeah. Feels like I got an extra 5 horsepower. Oh yeah. Oh shit. There we go. Get some power. Alright, don't run me over, homie. It never fails. There is always traffic right here. This is why I rarely come this way. If you've watched any of my videos, you'll notice that I always go, I go west. Or technically I go south. But I'm going southwest, technically, if you really want to be technical. And this is the reason why. Because no matter what time of day, whatever day I leave, there's always this mess here. And I hate dealing with it. Bike is feeling good. I'm feeling good too. My backpack is heavy as hell though. It feels like it's about 20 pounds. I got these rear sets in there, and I got a bunch of camera equipment as well as a tripod. An aluminum one, not a carbon fiber one, so it's a little heavier than the other one. The goal is to record some of the installation of my rear sets. I have failed at sharing some of the installation of these other parts because I don't feel like editing, but maybe I'll put them all together in this video. So I don't really have much of an excuse. So if you end up watching this video and you don't see any b-roll or any nice shots of installing parts or whatever, then yeah, you know that I'm lazy. It's cool though. I'm only lazy in certain kinds of ways. What the hell is this jackass doing? Just gonna holler off and get over last minute. Wonder if I should take the toll there. What's this wanting me to do? Oh yeah, this wants me to take the toll. Okay, sure. I'll take the toll. Or is it wanting me to take the toll? Nah, yeah, it looks like it wants me to take the toll. I was contemplating taking the toll anyway, but I try to avoid it, especially on a motorcycle, because it's so easy to get out of traffic. But on 45, it's not as easy. They don't really have shoulders on the road. And I don't lane split. I only ride in emergency lane. see that sign talking about a total closure. I hope that's not today. Last thing I need is more issues trying to get to where I'm trying to get. Passing through downtown. This is Edo, east of downtown to the right. We got downtown over here to the left. One day I'll ride through there, do a little tour. There's actually some really cool stuff out there. There's some nice statues, murals. Like there's some cool architecture here and there. Some nice attractions. The Bahia. If you want to see some brown chocolate water. Oh shit. Is this traffic? It looks like it is. Fuck. Oh wait, today is a Monday. It is traffic? At noon? Man. Okay, so I'm not going to take that way going home. I'm going to end up taking maybe 610-45 home. Avoid downtown. Alright, this was quick work. Made it to 610. We'll be taking Hardy from here, most likely. I hope. Well, I am. Never mind. I'm over here talking about I hope as if I gotta follow the GPS. I'm taking Hardy. Hopefully it will recalculate the route if it's not already routing me that way. Coming up to Hardy, we got a plane up there. It's going pretty fast too. Looks like a prop plane. Oh, and they're banking pretty hard on that turn. Wow. wonder if they're about to land. I know IH is over there. It would be interesting if they're landed at IH and not one of the many private airports we have here. So I'm going to be going straight on this road for about 20 minutes, most likely. I love when people get over to get in another lane to try to pass someone, and then it takes them forever and a day to pass them. So then someone behind them has to go extra slow, waiting on them. Oh yeah, it's feeling good. This cold air is making my eyes water again. I'm over here crying. I got a little bit of air circulating in the helmet. I didn't close the vent. It's not that cold, but I'm pretty sensitive to cold air, more so than the average person, I guess. Got the chopper, bro. Ride with no hands. Alright, something is up with this tune. It's cutting power. It just cut power. Why is this dude slowing down? What the hell? There is no one in front of you, motherfucker. Oh wow, it's cold over here. It's like 10 degrees cooler. My hand's getting numb. Yeah, I'm gonna have to start coming up to this north side in the fall and winter. It's cold for real. Do you really need to get over right now, homie? Did you really need to get over right here? I guess so. I guess they just want to get over in this pass lane for no reason. There's no one in this right lane, and they want to get in the left lane. Okay, well, here we go again. Oh man, that's a huge bump. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how much more cooler it is up here. I can't feel my hands. They are numb. It could just be that I'm rolling at a high rate of speed and the sun's not beaming down on me anymore. Because I'm looking at the temperature, it's the same temperature, it's 22. So it must be me. It must be that I've been going at a high rate of speed for too long without enough sun. This won't count as my cold weather ride. I did plan to do one ride in the extreme cold weather. I have a insulated jacket that came as a part of this current leather jacket I got. I want to test it out, as well as my cold weather gloves that I bought years ago that I never wore because I never ride in the cold. It's almost like a challenge, you know, because I never ride in the cold. I ride in the rain, you know, I ride at night, I ride when it's hot as hell. But yeah, cold is something new. And I'm kind of excited to try it, you know, see if I'm still a bitch. I might be. It's okay. Alright, so we finally passed at 99. So I'm only about 10 minutes away, I think, if I'm lucky. Look at the beautiful colors on these trees. So many people like to talk shit about Houston and Texas in general and about how we don't have seasons. Oh, we have seasons. We have at least two of them. We have hot and cold, and we have dry and wet, and we have this, green and not green. Seasonality. I should get over there in that toll, but I guess I won't. Actually, no, I should. It's 4 miles. God damn. I thought I was close. Or I could exit 45 and just go through the Woodlands proper. The residential area. I hate riding on this freeway, for real. Oh my gosh. It's the worst. So much traffic all the time. There's never a time I come over here when there's not traffic. Yeah, I think I'm about to go ahead and get over there in that HOV lane. now it feels amazing with the sun beaming down on me. Oh, yes. Resting my back a little bit. I got the backpack resting on the tail, so it's not all that weight ain't on my back. You know, there's been a lot of content on YouTube lately about people talking about not buying the Ducati or how you shouldn't buy a Ducati, which is a little outrageous to me because this is my 4th Ducati over the past 7 or 8 years. I've never had an issue with any of them. Ever since Audi bought them, or Volkswagen bought them years ago, there's been no issues. In fact, I didn't start buying Ducatis until after they were purchased by Volkswagen Group. At that point, I was like, okay, now I can trust them. Just like with Lamborghini. Like when Lamborghini was on their own and they were just an Italian brand, no chance in hell. But now that the Germans got them, of course. I'm not going to talk about the irony that is the Italians and the Germans working together. It might be it might be lost on some people. Look at all this traffic. God. Unfortunately, I am going to have to deal with it because this is my exit, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So I think I just cut off 5 minutes from my trip time by not sitting in that traffic. I want to go to Papado. I haven't been to Papado in months. I need to go. They closed the Papado right next to my house, which is one of the reasons why I haven't been in so long. Because I don't want to have to drive the 10 minutes to the other one. was a little herky jerky. Oh my gosh, what the hell? That was very on off. That wasn't very smooth on the roll on. Let's try that again. Yeah, it's on off. It's not rolling on.